welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you guys these Flexi Rod set on my hair, and I just decided to compare two sides. I decided to, oh, where's my top? I don't know where my top is, so excuse that. I decided to use the Miele Organics Babusa Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse on one side and the Extreme Wetline Gel on the other side. Now my hair is already washed and deep conditioned. I'm gonna use the Extreme Wetline Gel on this side of my head. So I have already made a video using this on my hair for a wash and go. I think that'll be linked down below in the description box. Take the Flexi Rod, start from the bottom just because I want my ends covered, and I'm gonna pull tight, pull tight. Just like that, okay? Let's keep going. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing all over my hair. I'm not gonna talk because I'm trying to focus, y'all. I can't do too much talking and trying to focus. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch it, and then I'll be back when I'm done with this side. It's the okay, so this side is done, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 Flexi Rods on this side, so I feel like it's gonna give me a great hold. I just have to make sure that it dries all the way. Well, right off bat, I can already see that the gel slicked my hair down way better. would definitely prefer the gel, only because my curls are really smooth. The only thing is that it takes a longer time to dry, because my roots over here were still wet while this side was completely dry. So maybe like another hour or two my roots would have been dry, but I would definitely prefer this side because it's shiny and my hair is more smooth than compared to this side where my roots are still frizzy, my hair is still kind of frizzy, it's not as smooth. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just wanted to come give you a quick update. It's been about 6.5 hours since I unraveled my Flexi rods, and the biggest thing that I've noticed is that the Wetline Gel side, which is this side, flakes just a little, like just a little, and my roots on this side have gotten way puffier. Like, you may not be able to tell, but they've gotten way puffier. Like, I had to put this piece right here behind my ear because look at it. Look at her. Want to act up and tell me which side do y'all like more. Do y'all like the Miele Organics Curl Mousse side, or do you like the Extreme Wetline Gel side? I think I still like the I'm sticking to it. I'm gonna stick to the Extreme Wetline side because although this side gives me that soft, fluffy look, I love the soft, fluffy look, but I feel like this will last me longer. And it smooths my curls out way more. The only reason you can see this frizz and stuff is because, like I told y'all, my hair did not dry all the way. Stubborn. She don't ever want to dry. So that's all I wanted to come tell y'all really quickly. But thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Happy holidays, everyone. And be on the lookout for my next video. See y'all.